with Abdurrahman, episode 6. Today I'm going to show you how to make a maze game. I already made my own game, so now I'll tell you how it works. Go here, touch the maze. I already did this also. What's name? These are the arrows, so we can control. So if you touch this black line, then you have to go back to the beginning. Look. It's a little hard when you get the big ball, then you crash in pieces. Then you'll crash. Look, I crashed. Look. I'm not really good at this game, so I'm a little bad, so if you touch the car, it will go to next scene. Then it'll drive. Look, it's driving, and then winner! So I won. Is it beautiful? Don't forget to subscribe. Show you how to make a game with ScratchJr. Go to the sun. Delete the avatar. Next, I have to get a maze. So now I go to purple. Make it pink. No. Next, I delete it. Go back here. Get this big dot I want to do now. Next, I maybe do. Also, I have to do this kari. Not a dragon. This is a good guy. Good dragon. He's smiling also. But I don't need this. What do we delete this? Do you guys know dragon songs? I know them. What? A fat rat? Bully fat rat? Princess cards? Nah, I don't want this card. I want this card. So I want to do something. So I'll have to shrink it first. Whenever the dot touches this, it will disappear. Then it will drive in the road. Go next. I need to do road, so it have to be a road so the car can go. Car can only go in the road. Yeah, guys. Yep, this is the one. The same car I have to go. Same car. Where are you? I don't need this like a funny looking lady. This is a good guy. This is what I needed. This car. It's too big, so I'll make it shorter, like medium size. Don't working like that. So next, I go back to this one first scene. Delete also this. Now I pick the arrows up, left. I want to change the color actually, so I'll change it purple, my favorite color. Purple and blue. What? Oh. Purple and blue and red and also green are my favorite colors, so I'll also change this color just like purple. I think I'll do just purple, it's okay. That's fine. Light color and pink stuff. I'll also do this left and right, not done yet. Painting I have to change the color, so this color is fine. This is right, this is up, this is left, down, correct. Oops, I forgot about the colors. Now I've set up my scene. Now what? I will do my programming. So first, down arrow I will do whenever. No, for the maze I'll do first because I want to do the maze first. I will scroll up. Whenever someone touch the maze, then it go back, not delete it. So this side was not delete, so it's okay. I can just get it. Next, me will send the message to figure out to let which message, guys, I can view it. Right? Okay. Now I do stop. No. Yeah, stop. Then dot, it will receive a message, go to a red message. Next, they're saying, the mail is saying, go back to the beginning. I mean not. The mail is saying that go back to the beginning. I was right. This thing. Then stop. Next, I go to truck. Now whenever a dot touches the truck, it will go scene 2. Oops. Where is the truck? Someone, this is this. No, this is not right. This. Whenever someone touch the truck, it will move to next scene. I forgot about that. This scene. This scene. So it can drive around, drive. Okay. Next, up arrow. The truck is done now. Up arrow. First, it will touch. Nope. That is touch. Then it will send which message? Which message, guys? It blue, red or yellow or purple or green or orange? Blue? Okay. Oops. Blue. Then stop. Now I go to oops. Now I have to go to left arrow. Same thing. I will go touch. Then what color I should do, guys? Tell me. Green. Okay. Stop. No, right. Which color I to do with right. Oh. First, which color? Which color, guys? It should be yellow. Okay. Stop. Then I'll go down. Oh! Oh! What's happening? So when I will touch, then I receive. Which color? Purple? Okay. Oops. Stop. I also. Oh, let's see now. Now I'm done with the arrows. Now I'll move the characters. Let's see if it's working. It's little Arvin. No, it's not working. First, we're going to receive a message. Then go up. Afterwards, you'll change the color. Then stop. Then we will go again, receive a message, then go to left, then stop. Then we will again do receive a message, then put right, then stop. Then we will put receive a message, then put down, then stop. Now I'll check if it's working or not. It's not working, so I have to cheat. Oh, it's not working because I didn't put the colors. It's all same. Up is blue. Yeah. Oh, you're shading up. Dot. Blue. How you do that? How we do that? Oh yeah, I forgot. Blue. Right, I know. Right. Left is green. I knew that, I know. Yeah. Right is yellow. Oh. First I have to check. I was right. Look. Yellow. I also have to check down. Pink, purple. Purple, I mean. Yellow. Done. Now I'm going to test the game. Oh, that's all. It's better if I had a small, yeah. Okay, I'm going to change. The ball is a little big, so I have to shrink it. So that's easy. You go purple, shrink. What? It's never working. Now I'll try. If it's okay. Let's see if it's working now. Yeah, it is working now. It don't touch anything. Ah! If because they are germs. These black things are germs. Ah! Ah! I forgot. These black things are germs, okay? Never touch them. Don't forget to download my games when I'm done learning. Okay, guys? Oh, I'm so bad. This is my last try. I'm so bad. I'll try one more time. It's too hard to do this, guys. Now I made it go. Be careful here. I did a mistake here because I didn't ask to move. So I'll do that right now. So I will do start, then move this side, then stop. Now let's do it. Oh, keep moving. So I did that wrong. So keep moving. Oh. Do you guys also want to see my games tomorrow in episode 7 tomorrow? Tell me in comments. So now I'll go first stage to do it again. Oh, restart. Restart. I'll just put it. That's easier. Reload. Down. Better now. I changed it. Oh. I made it. I'll try it, then I'll do. Oh. This is easier when I do it with my hand, but I have arrows, so I cannot do it. It's not easier with the arrows. But this is so fun. Look, I'm going to touch it. Now next scene will drive. Bye guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give me a big thumbs up and follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Insta. Bye! And do you want to see my dance?